Hey folks, just want to show you my Garmin Vivofit 4. You can see it right there. It just reset. It's got a warning sign on it. It had a black screen, and there's the time, 8:07. And now it just switched to 8:08. Is it 8:08? Well, a digital watch shouldn't really lose time, should it? But if you have a look here at my phone time, it's 8:12. That says 8:08, and I sync this periodically. Okay, I sync it, and it doesn't matter even if I sync it. Let me just log in here. I'm gonna go to the app, and the time will get basically reconnected. There's the app here to the watch, and it will sync up the time, and we'll be back to a normal synchronization. However, after several days, guess what? It starts to go again, and it loses time. If you notice this on your watch, it's probably your battery going, because I don't believe a watch like this should lose time. Here, this is the app here. Let's synchronize. So you hold it down. By the way, if you hold it down like that, the light goes on. For those of you who wonder if there's a light on this thing, you hold it for a few seconds, it lights up. Okay? If you hold it down longer, it'll go to this mode, and then you press it again, and now you'll notice up here the sync signal on the phone. See how it's turning around there, and it's showing that it's syncing there. So let this go on for a few seconds. Remember, and now it's 8:13 on the phone. That's the real time because it's synchronized to the cellular network time. And the watch, it'll sync up, and then in a few days, it's going to be a few minutes slow. And this is happening over and over again. Likely what's happening is the battery being low, it enters a condition where it actually just kind of stops doing its thing. It resets, and during that time, it actually doesn't advance the clock. However, because there's memory inside of this thing, some kind of flash memory, it retains the last time that it had, and it picks up and continues from where it left off. So if it happens several times in a few days, it may lose. See, it says 8:14. Okay, right there, 8:14. Now we're good again, but you'll see again in a few days we're gonna lose a few minutes. But yeah, there's nothing you can do. Garmin recommends that if you end up having this problem, there's a couple things. One is change the battery. When you put in a new battery, they recommend you put a little bit of vaseline on each side of the battery. Presumably that helps to keep it from corroding. Maybe the Vaseline acts like to keep water away from the battery. There could be some corrosion effect happening. It is sealed up, but you never know. Okay, you never know what that might the corrosion products might do to the battery. If it seeps in, that may also be causing these intermittent things. Now, keep in mind that I also got this watch, it's been quite a number of months, more than half a year, I'm pretty sure, since I got it. And also keep in mind that I didn't buy it brand new, so whatever stock it had, I'm not sure if the battery may have degraded already over time while it was sitting on the shelf.